Okay. So hey everyone, in this video we are going to know that. Okay. So hey everyone, in this video we are going to know that how exactly you can use ClickFunnels for your systems and all, like how exactly like you can build the system, and that system can help you to implement the exact thing that can actually help you to turn your visitors into your prospects or clients, right? That's the end goal. For that, there are a couple of things inside the ClickFunnels what we are going to use over here, and we are going to see few of them over here. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is we just need to let me go in my account first. Okay, cool. I'm already in my account, right? And here the very first thing we are going to do is we just need to click on funnels, right? And here I already have a squeeze funnel, but let me reduce it, put it here, and here I'm going to create the another funnel so that you can have a quick idea that how you can exactly build it, right? Even if you don't want to use these any of these templates, right? Although there are so many templates, but if in case if you don't want to use any of this, you can simply create with AI or start from scratch, right? So we just need to click on create, and let me show you how exactly it is easy to make it happen, right? The very first thing, let's go with the start preview, right? There is nothing as of now, but yeah, we need to go with the editor first. Okay, cool, let it be. As of now, the very first task of ours would be to build it, right? The very first thing we are going to take here is new page. New page's name would be, let's suppose, landing page, nothing else, and we are going to edit it, right? And I'm not gonna do every single thing over here, but yeah, I'm gonna give you a idea how exactly you can build it, right? So here inside a new section there is a blank section what we are going to have, right? And we are gonna go with two column, right? Here we are going to have a headline, sub headline, paragraph, and a button. Cool. And here I want to have a, let's suppose, video. Cool. Now we just need to align it. Again, we have to align this as well, right? We have to align this as well and this as well. For that, we have to make the width, right? And add some padding. Now, it was not looking anything like before. Earlier, it was completely blank, but now we are having a section over here, right? Where we can add anything, simply literally anything over here. So let's suppose, let's go to the YouTube first, and let's suppose we are going to get a link of this particular video. Okay, we are not gonna save it, we just want to copy link. Okay, let's do one thing, just open it, just copy it, come here, paste the URL, and boom, save it. Now you will have a quick look over here that your video is now available to see, right? This is how you can drag and drop and build the exact system that can help you to build your coaching business, right? And just like this, we can like add few more sections over here: the credibility section, the problem section, the solution section, the offer section, the FAQ, and so many things over here, right? That's the basic stuff what actually I want you to make aware, right? And in the next video we are also going to have a look on the automations and all, like how you can create the sequences and add it over there. So yeah, till then, be stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.